How to change your email on Shein. So here is how you can change your email on the Shein. So let's get started. First of all, open the Shein app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Shein account. Once in there, all you have to do is tap on the Me profile icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. There, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the Shein settings. Now here, tap on the Manage My Account option available. In there, you can see email at the top, tap on it. Then you can see there is change option available there. All you have to do is tap on the change and navigate to the another step. On another step, you will first have to verify your current email address and enter the verification code. Then you can easily change it to the another email address. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.